Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can uh, unban a few websites which have been banned in your country, or basically access it with a tool called Tor without installing the Tor browser. The reason I do this is because I want it system wide. So a simple Google search shows these are like some of the top websites. So let's take TorrentZio for example, and it shows me that it has been blocked, right? So yes, okay, it has been blocked. So now to avoid censorship, so I run this tool called start tor, okay, and it runs basically, and so it has to come till 100%. It basically creates a tor network, and when I refresh it, and it works. So the entire system is completely tor-ified, and that's how it works. So to install this tool, you need to do two things. One is brew install tor, right? I've already done this, but basically what this does is it installs tor as a binary, which you can use it to surf through websites without censorship. So, of course, it's illegal to download torrents. So, I mean, especially the ones which are copyrighted. Torrents are useful if you want to download educational content and other things which are completely illegal, and you can use it for that. But otherwise, yeah. So, and that torrents is basically a search engine. So, I have no idea why it was banned. But anyway, like I guess it's their way of going the most extreme to stop censorship. Okay, and the script which I added is actually added to my bash profile, which you okay. So basically, in dot files, I've added it to a functions. Yes, so I've added it to functions. These are the two functions, right? So what you can do is you can add it directly to your bash profile, or if you know how to work with dot files, you can just use that. But I would recommend you to just add it to your bash profile like this. All you need to do is open bash profile in your uh, favorite editor. I'm using Sublime Text. All you need to do is paste it in, and then you can start running it. Like save it and then close your terminal and open it again, and you can start using the script. Unless if you have dot files, in which case it is in a separate functions folder where all the functions are. And you can see I made a commit as well, which is useful, and it has the change log which I added, right? So this is exactly how you use it, and there are a lot of websites which are banned completely and you can access it this way. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe.